To write and design excellent pages in Microsoft Word, you must know how to format content. In addition to making the page more beautiful, formatted text can help guide the reader's attention to essential sections of the content and help deliver your point. This course will teach you how to change the text size, style, and color. To highlight the text, use the bold, italic, underline, and change case commands. Now let us see how to change the font size in Microsoft Word. So select the type you want to modify. So let me type a word here. So example, Microsoft. So just select the particular word. Click the drop down arrow next to the font size box on the home tab. A drop down menu appears. So here you can see we are changing the font size here. So we need to click over here. So now you can see a drop down menu. So it will be having numbers till 72. Okay, so you can change your text, your font size according to your need. At the same time, you can also change the font size over here as well. You can grow and shrink. If you are clicking this button, it will be growing, and it will be, if you want to shrink your font, you can just shrink the font as well. At the same time, you can just select the text and right click, so you will be getting another small window like this. Okay, so you can select here text size, the same thing which was here, and it will be available over here as well. So now let us change the font itself. Okay, now you can just select over here whichever font you want it, simply by clicking on anyone you wanted. I think my favorite one is Arial, so let me select the Arial over here. So this is how you change the font over here. And if you want to change the font color, just right click over here, and you can check over here one box over, and you can just select which color you want over from here. You can just select whatever color you want. Okay, now if you want to, say example, you are making a document, your report or something like that, and if you want to give a look, or especially if you want to highlight a particular topic, you can highlight from here. Just click on this highlight, and you can use any color you wanted to highlight the particular text. Okay, now you highlighted your text over here. Okay, so if you, at the same time, and if you want to change it to bold, italic, or underline this particular word, that you can just select over here. Yes, you can underline. See, you can underline over here. And if you want to make it bold, italic, just click here, bold, italic, any styles you can select. Also, you can change the text case. Say example, if you wanted to, now it is in the, if you want to make it capital letters over here, you can just select over here and just give uppercase. So now it will be changing to uppercase completely. same sentence case is there, lower case is there, upper case is there, capitalize each word, and toggle case is also there. So you can select desired style which you want. And let us see how to change the alignment of this particular text over here. Okay, so if you want to align it to the left indent, you can just click on this. Okay, align text left is the box over here. If you're clicking over here, it will be left. It's already in left, that is why it is not getting changed. And if you want to centralize it, you can just click on center. If you want to align the text to right side, you can just click on this tab. At the same time, if you want to justify, you can just click here. So when you are justifying it will be justified. You can see the both side is the margin or tab is, it is in the correct right indent and left indent, and the text is in the middle of the particular document. That is how you can change the text alignment.